Draper recommends any repairs be performed by experienced qualified installers and is not responsible for improper application, testing, or workmanship related to the product at the place of installation. Remove the bottom access panel by removing screws at each end and pulling down at the door support brackets. Once the panel hinges down, remove the door support brackets from the case. Disconnect the motor leads from the junction box and remove the retainer clips and the cotter pins from both ends of the roller. Loosen the set screws on the idler bracket, located on audience right as standard. Slide the idler bracket toward the right end of the case. 2 people will be required for this step. 1 person on each end will be needed to support the roller as the bracket slides. Set the screen on a clean work surface. If it is a tab tension screen, loosen the tension screw first. Pull the motor out of the tube. Slide the replacement motor into the tube. If it is a tab tension screen, tighten the tension screw back into the roller. Raise the screen into the motor bracket with its limits facing down. This will require 2 people. Once the motor is in the motor bracket, slide the idler bracket over the idler pin and tighten the set screws. Attach the door support brackets and retaining clips and cotter pins. Connect motor lead to the junction box. Use caution and be ready to stop the screen or cut power when operating. Limits on the replacement motor will need to be set for your screen size. Raise the bottom panel up and snap it into the door support brackets. Then reattach the screws at each end to secure the bottom panel. This concludes the instructions for Draper Access motor replacement. If further support is needed, please contact your dealer or Draper Inc. at 1-800-238-7999.